Good morning, children. So today, page number 46, class 2 grammar. Okay. You see today learning with ladybird. If you see the page number 46, they have given here must. Today we are mainly talking about must. Okay, must is a modal verb. Modal verbs are verbs that help other verbs. Modal verbs are verb that helps other verbs. Okay, we use must to give orders. So dear children, so now you see, uh, we use must when we want to say something that is necessary or very important, that something happens in the future or present. Okay, if you want to say something, either if it is necessary, okay, so it is like a demanding. Definitely you have to do that. So that's what. When it is necessary only, we are demanding to do the work. Anything. So that's what we are using many times in many different ways. We are using must. Okay. You see, that's what we use must when we want to say that is necessary. If it is necessary only, we will demand that to do the work. Okay. Or very important that something happens in the present time or future time. Now we require something. Please, you must bring book. You must bring some bread. Like that. So you must bring some money. So like the present tense. So like that. Now you see. So here it is. Today mainly must is it is actually modal verb we call. So it helps to the another verb. For example, you see the sentence. Okay. See, you must go to school. So dear children, must is a here, if you observe here, must is a modal verb. Now we are talking, must is a modal verb. Okay. So but it helps to the another verb. So exactly verb is this is go. It helps to the another verb. It supports to the another verb. So you must go to school. Okay. You see, so like that. See, you must stop. Stop also this one. Verb form only. So this is modal verb. So you must stop when the light is red. You see in your book. You must stop when the light is red. That is the traffic rules. When you are traveling, okay, if the red signal will be there, you must stop. That is the rules. If you don't stop, accidents will happen. So that's what. So this is the you must stop. So must is a modal verb. This is stop. It is supposed to the another verb. It helps to the another verb to form the sentences, to give the exactly meanings. Okay. Now you see. Okay. And another things. And you see, I must buy a car. I must buy a car. Understand? See, must. So I must buy a car. So here buy also verb form. So must is a modal verb. So like this. So you must buy someone. You must buy some new clothes. You must buy some new clothes. That means it is telling you must buy some new clothes. You are giving some money to your friend and your neighbors, your uncles, anybody, and we are telling, "Are please you take little money and you must buy new clothes." Like this we tell na, why we are using their must, you must buy. It is necessary. So it is necessary, it is very important to wear the clothes. That's what we are telling. You must buy some new clothes. Okay. You see, we must finish the work today. Correct now, when we are busy and when we are doing any important work, we must finish the work today. Okay. We must watch film. We must watch film. That is very important film. You must watch. So you must attend the class. You must attend the class. You must listen the class. Okay, like that. Huh? So you must remember the question and answers. We are sending so many question and answers, but you must remember. That's what you see. You must remember. You must remember the question and answers. Okay. You must wash your hands before eating. So it is a necessary now. Before eating, we must wash our hands. So that's what the situation is demanding. The scene is demanding to wash the hands before going to eat. So this is what the dear children story. These are some examples of must when we have to use. Then where we have to use, how to use. Okay. So at the same time, you see, must is it is a familiar thing. But when you want to make a negative sentences, opposite sentences, but we must say must not. Right now we say must not. So this is a must, and when you want to say must not. Must not. So like this, must or must not, there are many modal verbs. For example, can also modal verb. May also modal verb. Will also, see, will. And shall. Could. Understand now? Would. These are the modal verbs. These are the verb forms. So when you are going to the higher classes, you will understand very clearly. You don't think these are the simply. These are the modal verbs. These things will help to form the sentences. Okay. So these are this one, can, will, shall, may, could, would. So everything. So shall or will. So everything is the modal verbs. Okay. You see. You must read this book. It is amazing. Because of the book, it is a very good book. It is a very nice book. It is a very moral book. It is amazing. So we have to read it. So like that. So dear children, so must. So we must use where we have to use the sentences. Okay. Now you see must not. We will talk about the must not.